Hello everybody, I'm Ellie and this is my wildlife presentation. What is an eastern box turtle's habitat? My procedure. Look up on a trusted website the eastern box turtle. Find information about its habitat. Take notes. Conclusion. Eastern box turtles spend quite some time in water or wet mud. They prefer an area with a great amount of moisture as well as trees. No eastern box turtles were found on campus. This shows that our campus was not an ideal habitat for them. This is because there wasn't that much rain this season and our lane was probably not muddy and was dry. How do the plants we have on campus help the environment? My procedure. Use the C-gap to identify some plants around the back patio. Take note of the plants. Research on a reliable website how those plants help the environment. Take notes. Results. Conclusion. Milkweed. Milkweed supplies nectar for bees and butterflies as well as other helpful insects. It attracts a large amount of insect diversity because of its importance to pollinators, bees and butterflies. It is a good thing that we have milkweed on our campus because as a result we attract many insects that support our ecosystem. Goldenrod. Goldenrod helps pollinators and increases insect activity. Goldenrod helps songbirds, ruffed grouse, ring-necked pheasant, eastern cottontail, small mammals, and white-tailed deer. Goldenrod is valuable to our campus because it helps our wildlife. What does the amount of dissolved oxygen in a creek tell us, and does Glade Run Creek have a good amount? My procedure. Use a good and safe website to research dissolved oxygen. Find out what dissolved oxygen tells us about a creek. Perform the dissolved oxygen test on water from Glade Run Creek. Using the known information, figure out if Glade Run Creek has a good amount of dissolved oxygen. Results. Conclusion. Dissolved oxygen is microscopic oxygen molecules that are mixed within water. Dissolved oxygen is found in the spaces between water molecules. Aquatic animals and aerobic bacteria need dissolved oxygen to live and grow. Dissolved oxygen is also a direct indicator of how well an aquatic environment can support aquatic life. Healthy water has at least 5 milligrams per liter of dissolved oxygen. The DO in Glade Run Creek is 12 milligrams per liter. This information tells us that Glade Run Creek is healthy. How do dragonflies help the environment? My procedure. Find a trusted website. Research how dragonflies help the environment. Take notes. Conclusion. Dragonflies hatch in or nearby water, so from birth until adulthood, they will eat harmful aquatic life. Once adulthood is reached, dragonflies will eat environmentally unfriendly insects. This also limits the amount of pesticides used to kill these insects. Dragonflies can also help reduce disease spread by horseflies, deerflies, and mosquitoes by eating these insects. They keep us and our campus much healthier by getting rid of potential threats. What mammals do we have on campus? Where do they live and what do they eat? My procedure. Look for clues about what mammals we have on campus. If they can be, scan the clues with the C-gap to identify the mammal. Find a safe and informative website. Research the mammal's habitat. Also research the mammal's diet. Take notes. Results. Conclusion. White-tailed deer. White-tailed deer enjoy dense thickets such as evergreens because they offer a good amount of protection. A white-tailed deer's diet consists of tree, shrub, and vine species, as well as herbaceous plants. The preference in food eaten by a white-tailed deer is determined by the place, season, or time of year. This information tells us that our campus must have good protection for them and a good amount of tree species, shrub species, vine species, and herbaceous plants because our campus is suited to accommodate deer. This is an indicator that our campus is healthy. Gray squirrel. The diet of gray squirrels include acorns, hickory nuts, walnuts, beech nuts, berries, mushrooms, pine seeds, corn, the germ at the base of the kernel, dogwood, wild cherry, and black gum fruits. The oak hickory forest is best for squirrel habitat because of its great variety of vegetation types. Also, a maturing tree with round and small openings is the ideal squirrel den. The fact that there are squirrels on our campus proves that we have a variety of vegetation and many species of trees, which is a good thing. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. Bye!